Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the theme of the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the map icon down below, which is the last option. And then click on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now click on the settings icon in the upper right corner. Scroll down till you find the general section and tap on the appearance button. Here you are going to find two options, dark or light. So tap on the one that suits your preferences. And if you go back, you are going to see that this function of the app has been updated. So you can change the theme or the appearance of the app anytime by going to your settings and then clicking this button. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.